In this video, we will be showing you how the operating handle of the L600AWK can be padlocked in the off position, but it cannot be padlocked in the on position as standard. To order the switch so the handle can be padlocked in the on position, you must add the suffix SPLO to the standard catalog number. As you can see, with the handle in the off position, a padlock can be inserted to lock the handle in the off position. Now with the handle in the on position, you cannot install a padlock due to a lock plate guard.